adaka besi ebony. In the history of Ghana, obi ba
Ebushafo mamunyina akwaba eba Ghana 7 TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM anyway. Yeah, almost 1% of some 200 is a megawatt of solar panel. 1% introducing into a national grid. Copycat say, copycat and paste say, but they don't know how to implement the money. That's NDC for you. Etieka say, elections have consequences. Are you seeing all those that are coming up? Why won't it work? Yama appointment. Why won't you focus here? Yama appointment. Eh?
When Sana Veda has a quay, move fire and quay, Nene Mama de.
Somebody, you can move up on the moon. Yashi, you.
Ya bomber.
There. Now, some women there. Me when I see where people are mentioning your age, me sometimes I think you are lying. No, I want fair power. Stature. Charlie, you got Melka Kasi MBA now. Becca say, me Bonnie. All right. Let's go into the issues. All right. Let me start with like I said, newcomers. My idiom starting. I already acquired. Let me start with Okodie. 6 minutes to address all of that.
Because 6 minutes in so but anyway, me fanisa.
Second round to the wall.
Me fanisa na baby ebe 12 fabia so you are not part of it. You are.
I'm part of it too.
No, you are excluded because yeah, but if you need your IP address near becho voice.
Yes.
You will not be a Christopher to. Nyamie ye nyame die nye yimu onya latania onya bununia onya sahwinia onya alestetesi loristetesi ontie namom the largest ethnic group in Ghana and language no eye boni, and he tagged that as this nonsense must stop. I was there. I fellowship with you. You run 2 services, which is Akans and English language. With the Akans,
really?
Yeah, he runs 2 services. First one you Akans, and the second one your English service. Papa nisi Akans no, it is nonsense. So for you, ebe jina okachere ye say yama no kwanama no Jubilee House and to see Akufo-Addo atade because LGBT ko no sign. And Obaya, the donation is that we should give the president a time, and I have my best friend, and I have the number, and Debe Brofubio can or we are not tagi say the Akan language, on the Gala land, it is a nonsensical and it must stop. Messi aso for my Bible share bottom be a revelation, a dear Jamaica chrono, ne can't you will be exposed because do so now air cost it will affect you. No member. Se costo run costo agua o me yi tight amount. And the churches so call na say generator no who use fuel it will go against your coffers and your offering.
Yeah.
It's mountain on Namonji John Dramani Mahal so and the hypocrisy. Me no wonder because this pastor is on board on land commission or tiso land commission or tiso board as a board. I think he's part of the board, he's not the board chairman. Eti odia dododie banku shena numa mesi eshishi na numa enwiye eti he has no voice to talk. Ma odia mabanku ni nsa se na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo anti banku shishisha shena nunu nti na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo na osi ya manu kwa manu ko Jubilee House o efiri se na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo ya bronsan voice. Ena ne gunu ho ani mase wo Nyankopon mesi na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo ne de me ma to ne diri the oracle of justice. Whatever you will do to this man, it will just say obetro no book ndabi we will state awie so for business of ta so for abeto adaka besi ebony. In the history of Ghana obi bawu osi yenja amankota adaka sie no so for when were being instigated by Sam George, the 3 Sams, to demonstrate against Nana Akufo-Addo. What we Nyankopon die what we and then you are tagging Akan language now who preach you no. You preaching it, say because you say you are preaching in it, a Ganland something nonsensical. A be chairman of voice, chairman of Church of Pentecost,
Yeah.
2 things na me can find. One, sometimes I side with him. Certain times to because of his personality and his position, no, insolence. Voice, the reason why I side with him said these pastors, Christian Council, were instigated by Sam George, Sami Jamfi, and Samoku Jota Brakwa to demonstrate against, led by Sam George, to demonstrate against Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo. True or false?
True.
These people went to the pit of Galamsey site, telling Ghanaians they said they were going to pray over there, causing or say we are seeing never who say Galamsey Koso Ghana. Didn't they?
They did.
Voice, what was the reason for going to the Galamsey site? Wasn't it to show to the media or the people of Ghana or the good people of their church members to say Galamsey Koso Ana? Na next Galamsey Akoso na maye makobompa ye wie. Na some sin Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo yentuni mfiri so na yemfa bi obi obetima so Galamsey na mla metena so na oba ye na munya bi mmo so ma do you complain? What do? You go there again and pray. The same way na mama we are singing na hunu ye mo sore man na hunu ye se na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye bronsam na mo tu na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo ama sebi ni papa ba be sia de so sebi I solve Galamsey no so papa ye 1 year getting to 4 months in here Galamsey no solve ya. What do you go there to do again? You go and pray without ceasing. That is what the Bible tells you. Go there and pray again. Maybe I see sending you now hunu say Galamsey no na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye tu ne firi so no de wa baba tena so ne de kwa de ye ntimi mo asuom na Nadu Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne de sebi kwa ne yetimi bo asuom. But I say ye ntimi mo asuom enso na poto. That is what I wanted them to do. The next thing I wanted them to do was to call to go on demonstration. Na ka wa fro won sori mai Church of Pentecost amowa Accra branch na munhia Obra Square. Yenye demonstration against Galamsey. What has it done? What will it cause the Church of Pentecost to do that? Since I must to be more sure, it is a more catcher Ghana for Yenyamude. Are we Jesus Christ? Is that not the Jesus Christ who told you to baptize? It is a more catcher Ghana for no. I'm more catcher man penina mami yani to be ya waso anu odi watemi. It is a ancestor no be. Will you keep quiet? Or are you going to further comment on it? I let you will not, because this woman has vowed, even from the apology he rendered, she rendered solid. The apology she rendered, she means it that when this man opens his mouth again on Galamsey, she's not going to mess with her and him rather. Obey discipline. No. But also the Yamokoba Empire, no, Ghana, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Fremu, the wicked president, the most wicked president, which is one Fremu, he allowed you to do whatever you want, to cross it to for the newspaper to capture it. Certain Omoko, yes, have fake now Omoko voice yet all the newspaper captured it, and it was in the topic for about 2 or 3 months. And a Church of Pentecost for Crackobon Payo, and I saw for Crackobon Payo. Didn't we hear? Didn't we see it? It was in the dailies for about 2 or 3 months. And I can't want some money to go a banana poto. Then, yo, and then, course, I will see young candy. O si with me most asu ye be bosu na mama su na ye baba no boy wi ya na ye so ya bobi because anya me a me kwọ abusu no me nkwa na me nom sa makri no o bo me wi na so for ma chew no ma so hwene na wo so ma bobi. That is what you are going to do. Asuboni there, it is an obligation from God, and you must baptize us, and we will baptize you. It is a number 27 abebosa. So for ye na ye bo wi ya do be no 27 we bo wi and we ya bobi. Because I'm not the only person who is going to suffer the effect or the repercussion of Galamsey. Yes, Ramo. Munye demonstration. And what I want to say, Munya bre, Mupin su papa bossu. And yes, I dear way I would tell okay, Canada, and Kobe Bia, Medase.
Medase, Okodia. Thank you so much for coming through. We some officer drop here, just alert me, even as a comment, me drop. Why? Let's go, Mama Day. 6 minutes. I say Mama Day busy. I bet you keke. I say a power ya na.
Anyum na ya odana. Vote for PNC. UNC. The party for you. Vote for MPP. The changing no. Vote for MPP. The party for you. Vote for MPP. The party for you. Broad base the best.
NPP all the way.
Convention Eyeki. Bawo
MPP
Miadeko.
adeko.
You that was it.
God best the best. MPP
MPP.
all the way. Convention Eyeki. Dr.
Dr.
Bawo
Baudi adeko.
Miadeko.
Ede.
Voice.
Yes.
About the pass, we are Mama Quenya say. Memra platform nation. Na me ba say na me hu say. MPP adehia kese se mu kusua. In fact, ama manije ma me hu sampa broad base no eye best ampa. Na
Wonder.
MPP all the way.
Yeah.
Na kan fi ha aso de okode e kan ye ne so.
Okay.
Sama hu say wi ase wo ho.
Mm-hmm.
Yanka anka wo dan ya. O say contractor na wo yi kwan no na ni gele. So what you say?
Yeah.
Ewi ase na yete no. NDC benya hu nyina sa 2024 elections ya ekoyi. Asofo Ghana asofo no bi. Edi mo tintimai. Wo mu di mo tintimai papa yie. Wo mu gira mo pulpit so na ye campaign. Edi enti Land Cruiser sinti. V8 inti. Inti ana papa sofo. Pentecost for me was sisters sa. Woman be our mere thicknesses. Me catch a money dickens, mamma, woman, me will be woman bushing. Ababa, what will Sissy and Cancha will say? Ya papa Yamiche, ya de defend the war. Na, a Debbie Besham, a yana wakai. Why? Cause some maybe shun young people near so. When you know, Moka, papa, maybe me tear interview. No be busa so. Adan na aban na twa mu bibi mi refi na why nyame nipa me de me giwu di se wo ye papafo ni binti me nkan because e bia na man koka ne sane awoka no no me ntwa so da nyame ni na mo de me kai answer ne se wo se MPP aban no mutu ne fu ba wanye den wentie da no.
No, Mahama inauguration day no kai.
Thank you. Na that day no papa me a bit sad so sa wutu aban ne fumpo na bibia me obeka no na kenye ni se mo ba sabe wo ye opani mu asani awon so nyame kire wo na asani awon so fele ye no sa na ka papa mo kwantante ye kobobo mpa ye wo Galamsey site ni na MPP fo anya wo hwiyo ye de unidie wani onyam ye de ma usani etie pepepe because bibia akoso na enye no sabi udin nyame cha de kwa che sa wo ya kani nti ne akoso wo ye nsa ase so no
Asokore.
na da wa ni nua ba ma sa kireni
Asokore.
enti
And me a
enti
state of Pentecost member.
yo na che sa kirefo ye de hie po no enti wa wo hwe ye nsa ase a ayeye sa no na ye papa wo kan na wo di kan na mu sa asam na sabia bi akokwa mu kan ya na wo ne mpanimfo di nkoma wo betina abonten kan ye mesere wo amfa hwe ya ma wo ebia na ya wo se wo kan bibi di age mi onyam awa ban ye nim nene omu si ya nka ncha wo se ye papa nyame che wo bie wano a ababa wa ho anwan ye wo si oba fun oba kankan o si dwuma wo di bediwu o ho bedwiri ti papa e efisam ne koi di obeka wano atomo efisa na no omo release omo dogs ni because ye meka nche ya asantefo se ye nim ne ye bie ya no a o rad nyame joma ma bema esojafo abebo ye voice I hope so wanya sa video ni bia hwe omo dogs ne baako
Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
enti papa nyame che se wo nso ya asanteni de na mi jina NDC nkana mine so aka kire o se papa e bompa yo na wo bie wano a wo be ma sojafo abebo because anu maka kire yen enti asam na aba no ye nyina ye wom mi wom obi abom na mom ni atie ni so behwe wo so ye Now for a number to NDC for same. Now we empire so Yankopon say. So who involvement to be one more bind that they try muno call yaw Sarah de say. On fan chow. Ne mama no more. Would the back casa and the pem na MPP a bind bar. Sabi de wo mu a hwe a ebeboa no ye de wo kan ye pene so because wo ba betentene na hwe Ghana for especially be nwan masante for na ye de mu nko papa no pay and ye make a kire mu nyina say mo ma ya comment tutu mo hwe na no de ye hene pomo na kasa ye no ma na areho na bobo da bi a ye dru no nti mo kan na mo say MPP no so ye dia. Ye dia o akamfo ye nso ye dia. MPP ye national party. Ejina homa Ghana fo nyina. Ba dia ba ko se ye hu se ye akamfo ye titum die agentia. Efu se ye nananom tu kante ye. Ani akwati ko body sie ni we dia me ye sorry obi sakura bi. About 2 minutes na me ntwa so no bi mrem na. Obi gabi. I voice.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Krabby says, "I'm mobile messambe mpacho."
No problem. That's it. Mama day. All right. I think
Where's Menum coming?
yeah, it's possible, bro.
My
It
day.
is possible to have the so it is possible. To have the
2 minutes na
Me
kana
time
kwa.
is
Omo nyina keka
my day
bio
time is so.
ya wo hye ase ni nyina wa mpeke yen afi no wa peke yen wo hye ase ni nyina the voice means wo na ma invitation kura
O shase me nka bi. Me pa cho
on
shase me
time
nka
you
sai.
me
Me,
time
I
na me
would say,
so on Casamia.
it's me. It's possible. Cause we have a brim. Why in Paucho? Why?
Lily fire ni enko.
Me
Na
da
me so
say.
Krabby.
Me da say man dey akwa me chechi obi a okode God bless nana ba wo mia. Ma pounds mu nyina. Me chechi amo. Na